the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk.
Hey guys, this is Eddie the Magic Monk unboxing my new Google Pixel 4a 5G. Very excited. The cool thing about this phone is that it's virtually not that much different to the Google Pixel 5, and it was, for me at least, $400 cheaper, so that's amazing. So let's open that up. Very cool camera. There's a little plastic sleeve here. Okay, that reminds me I don't even have a case, so I'm gonna be very careful before I get a case. There it is, protection is off. Doesn't seem to be another layer of protection, so I just have to be super careful not to damage anything. Okay, it's camera at the back. Okay, you gotta be very careful. Okay, so there it is. Let's see what's in here. Google. Actually, let's put that on here so nothing goes wrong. Google. All right. Guess what's this? A user manual type thing. Google. What is in here? Meet your new Pixel. SIM card tray, 3.5mm audio, power button, volume up and down. Pixel imprint, I guess that's for fingerprint. Press and hold the power button 5 seconds. Follow the on-screen steps. Quick switch adapter. Old phone. Really? You can connect 2 phones? Is that real? Okay, so let's try that. So I've got a USB-C cable. Okay, so I've got plenty of these anyway. Right, there's my charger. Not sure what this is yet. Okay, what is this? Are these earphones? Because I need more earphones. Yes, earphones. Oh, and lots of plugs as well. That's always really useful. Earphones, love earphones. Traditional 3.55s. Actually, every one of my phones has had a 3.55mm. So, definitely very important. 3.55mm headphones. Okay, so how much power does this have? Let's give it a shot. Hold it down. Turns on already. Let's see the user manual. Press and hold the power button. Follow the on-screen steps to set up your phone. Okay, so let's see what it says. Hi there. English, start. Connect to mobile network. If you have a SIM card, insert it now. Okay, let's do it.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.